If you're watching this video, it probably means you have a $1 million startup idea and you're out there looking for a technical co-founder. And the problem often starts with that $1 million idea. But before we continue, let's break this video into 3 parts: what you think, what the problem is, and the solution that can help you find a co-founder. Now, being a full-stack engineer myself and having built many projects over the past 15 years, I've had my fair share of experiences meeting and dealing with marketing co-founders. And let me tell you how most of them think. I just need this app built somehow. The idea is so good that with a little marketing magic, it'll generate millions. And sometimes, I'll give some equity to a developer to get my app built and then go pitch investors to raise money and scale. Of course, since it's my idea, I'll keep the majority of the shares. Sounds familiar? As a potential technical co-founder, I've got a few questions on my mind. First, what makes you the right person to lead this startup? What relevant experience, skills, or qualifications do you bring to ensure its success? While I'm coding and building the MVP, which could take weeks or even months, what will you be doing? What value will you bring during that entire stretch? Imagine I pour 3 months into building the MVP and then you change your mind or lose interest. What do I lose? My time, my energy, and the opportunities I could have pursued instead. Do you already have any potential customers lined up or letters of intent? Without that early validation, this is all just a hypothesis on paper. Are you ready to cover the initial costs, hosting, development tools, licensing, until the product starts making money? How will we handle legal stuff, IP ownership, NDAs, and other agreements if we decide to work together? Finally, do you have a clear business model, revenue projections, or at least a pricing strategy sketched out? These are the questions running through my head before I commit to building something that could change both our futures. Lean on my experience and test out this approach. First, refine your idea. Don't settle for just a cool concept or games. Research the pain points, interview potential users, and iterate until you can clearly state the problem and your approach to solving it. Next, make a list of competitors. There's no truly unique idea these days. You probably just haven't discovered your competitors yet, or maybe the market doesn't need your product. Figure out exactly how your product is better than what's already out there. Study the market and your competition. Prepare a pitch deck as if you were presenting to investors. If you can't confidently explain your value proposition, target customer, and go-to-market strategy, you're not ready to lead a CEO. Validate your idea early. Build a simple landing page, start marketing, run a small ad campaign, pay a micro-influencer, or launch a quick social media survey to gather initial feedback and sign-ups. This shows real traction beyond just a concept. Develop a lightweight prototype or clickable mockup. Use tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or Framer to create a visual demo. A wireframe or clickable flow helps technical partners understand the scope and see immediate progress. Offer a clear roadmap and milestones. Outline phases: MVP, beta, public launch, and set realistic timelines. This demonstrates your planning ability and gives technical co-founders confidence in your leadership. Be upfront about your own contributions. Show what you're doing on the business side: customer interviews, marketing efforts, sales calls, so a technical partner knows you're fully invested. Show traction before offering equity. If possible, secure initial paying customers or letters of intent. Demonstrating market demand makes it much easier to negotiate equity fairly. Finally, invest some money in your idea. Hire a designer for a logo or wireframe, bring on a freelancer for a landing page or MVP, purchase the domain, create a short video demo of your product, promote that video, and run an ad campaign. Putting your own skin in the game shows you're committed. Finding the right co-founder is tough, even if you're technical, so let's help each other out. If you're seriously looking for a co-founder, drop a comment below or fill out the form in the description. I'll do my best to connect you with others who are in the same boat. Thank you for watching the video.